The modern wheel alignment machine is a sophisticated piece of equipment crucial for maintaining vehicle performance, handling, and tire longevity. At its core, it measures and adjusts the precise angles of a vehicle's wheels to meet manufacturer specifications. This process is far more intricate than simply ensuring your wheels point straight ahead. The three fundamental angles addressed by wheel alignment are camber, caster, and toe. Camber refers to the inward or outward tilt of the wheel when viewed from the front of the vehicle. Positive camber means the top of the wheel tilts outward, while negative camber means it tilts inward. Incorrect camber can lead to uneven tire wear. Caster is the angle of the steering axis when viewed from the side. It influences steering stability, effort, and the wheel's tendency to return to a straight-ahead position after a turn. Positive caster, where the steering axis tilts backward, generally improves high-speed stability. Toe refers to whether the front edges of the tires point inward or outward when viewed from above. Toe in means the front edges are closer together, while toe out means they are farther apart. This angle significantly affects tire wear and straight-line stability. Incorrect toe is often the fastest cause of tire wear. Modern wheel alignment machines, particularly 3D aligners, typically consist of several key components: cameras, specialized targets, a computer system, and a lift. These components work in concert to provide highly accurate measurements. The cameras are essentially the eyes of the system. They are high-resolution, precision-engineered cameras strategically placed around the alignment area to capture multiple images of the targets attached to the vehicle's wheels. These cameras are designed to work in various lighting conditions for consistent performance. Targets, also known as reflective plates, are passive devices attached to each wheel. These targets feature specific patterns or reflectors that the cameras easily detect. They contain no precision electronic components themselves and are calibrated during manufacturing, requiring no regular recalibration, which makes them robust and easy to maintain. The measurement process begins with vehicle preparation. The vehicle is positioned on a flat, level surface, typically a specialized alignment rack or lift. The technician then mounts the wheel clamps with the targets securely to each of the four wheels. It's crucial that these clamps are properly centered to ensure accurate readings. After mounting the targets, a critical step called runout compensation or rolling compensation is performed. This procedure accounts for any minor imperfections in the wheel, tire, or the clamping mechanism itself, which could otherwise lead to inaccurate alignment readings. It ensures that measurements accurately reflect the vehicle's suspension geometry. Runout compensation typically involves rolling the vehicle backward and forward slightly. During this movement, the machine takes multiple measurements at different wheel positions. By analyzing these readings, the computer can calculate and subtract any runout error, providing true camber and toe values. Some modern systems only require a small turn of the wheel. Once compensation is complete, the machine proceeds to measure the camber angle of each wheel. The cameras continuously monitor the targets, sending visual data to the computer. The computer analyzes the images to determine the vertical tilt of the wheels relative to the ground. Next, the caster angle is measured. This involves analyzing the forward or backward tilt of the steering axis. The machine's software precisely calculates this angle, which is vital for steering feel and stability. The toe angle measurement then takes place. The system determines the inward or outward direction of the wheels when viewed from above. Accurate toe measurement is critical for preventing premature tire wear and ensuring straight-line tracking. The data captured by the cameras is continuously fed to the machine's computer system, which acts as the brain of the operation. Advanced algorithms process this visual information, calculate all alignment parameters in real time, and compare them against the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. The computer then displays these measurements, often using a color-coded system, and provides recommendations for adjustments. The technician makes adjustments to the vehicle's suspension components, such as tie rods or control arms, to bring the angles within the specified range. After each adjustment, the machine remeasures to verify the changes. Finally, once all adjustments are made and verified, the alignment machine generates a comprehensive report. This report details the initial measurements, the adjustments performed, and the final alignment values, ensuring the vehicle leaves the shop with optimal wheel geometry for improved handling, extended tire life, and enhanced safety.